TANA Foundation.
Charity and service. TANA Foundation has funded over 150 projects in Andhra Pradesh.
Eyesight Restoration Operation Envision. So far, over 300 eye camps were conducted across Andhra Pradesh, and over 100,000 patients were screened, and over 21,000 cataract surgeries were performed. Operation Envision is among the most popular and highly successful projects taken up by the TANA Foundation. The key for this success, none other than the hundreds of donors among you for sponsoring eye camps at their native or needy villages. TANA Foundation is fortunate to have inspiring leaders who spend enormous amount of time in coordinating the camps, raising funds, and continuing to make a steady progress of the projects. TANA Foundation is working with eye hospitals in Andhra Pradesh to attack the problems of cataract-related blindness among us, the elderly, and correcting the vision of school-aged children. Over 100,000 students in over 200 schools were screened, and over 12,000 pairs of eyeglasses were distributed.
Scholarships to disadvantaged students. More than 234 new scholarships for poor students throughout Andhra Pradesh, and 150 renewal of scholarships until completion of college education through Bread Society. Vishwahita. Over $100,000 are contributed over the last 5 years for college education for bright students from poor families by Vishwahita Education Trust, started by M. Shyamala and her nephew Vijaya Saradi Chilkamari from California. Sri Kakatiya Student Welfare Society, founded by Sri Jasti Venkateshwarlu Garu. The society has spent $70,000 in 2008 for 334 scholarships for poor merit students.
Center for Social Service, Nagal, Hyderabad. Educate your women first and leave them to themselves. Then they will tell you what reforms are necessary for them. Swami Vivekananda. That's how an idea of starting a shelter for orphan and very poor girls was born. Center for Social Service, CSS, is a voluntary organization with no monetary profit motive aimed at ensuring better opportunities for economic and socially deprived girls in our society. TANA Foundation has sent $10,000 to CSS this year.
Sreyasu. Improve quality of life of the PLHA. People living with HIV/AIDS. Curb the spread of HIV/AIDS into general population. Serving 27 villages and over 200 PLHAs in Jagiapet Mandal, Krishna district, providing nutritional, medical and counseling services, foster care, and educational support for HIV orphans, community outreach work, and organizing support and self-help groups. Mobile clinic was established, is being operated by Lepra Society to improve health care of people in remote villages. HIV screening project in rural area in coastal districts is in progress from Lepra Society.
Siddhartha Alumni Scholarship Fund. All students of Siddhartha Engineering College, Vijayawada, under the leadership of Mohan Nanapeneni, raised $90,000 with a goal of $200,000 for endowment funds in their college, which support scholarships for their poor students.
Dr. A.S. Narayana, founder of the Sai Oral Health Foundation. The Sai Oral Health Foundation has been running free dental clinics for school children and poor people in Hyderabad, Krishna, Rangareddy, and Nalgonda districts. Every week, over 400 patients are being treated at these clinics.
Safe Drinking Water Program. TANA Foundation, with the help of Nandi Foundation and other non-profit organizations, has helped to start safe water plants. Rangaraya Medical College Association of North America raised $200,000 to build Golden Jubilee Library at Rangaraya's Medical College, Kakinada. Library planning to start by July 2009.
TANA Foundation has helped to construct Mahaprasthanam construction of funeral grounds in villages like Aitanagar, Tenali.
Currently, 7 named scholarships of $2,000 each are being issued annually to students from India who are pursuing graduate studies in the U.S. Also, 3 scholarships of $2,000 each are issued annually to high school seniors in the U.S. who are pursuing higher education.
We'd like to thank our current TANA Foundation board members for their dedicated services. We welcome our newly elected members into the team to continue the same spirit of achieving TANA Foundation goals.
None of these accomplishments would have been possible without contribution and cooperation from you, the North American Telugu community. We sincerely thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your generosity and commitment. This has certainly helped poor, helpless, and less fortunate people to alleviate their sufferings. We further appeal to all North American Telugu community to consider tax-deductible contributions and be part of the most generous and kind-hearted community.